Hello friends, it's the 10th anniversary, so let's talk about how to learn a language. I can speak English, Japanese, and Chinese. Chinese is Mandarin. Intermediate level except Japanese. My level that does not have any problem in everyday life. There are commonalities in learning language efficiently and easy. The way is how to remember in the brain. Make good use of the teaching materials in this video that I offer you. Why I'm using animations. For example, famous athlete's quote. Everyone remember it. So then when you put emotions on words, the brain will remember. The hero says more lines than the boring teaching says. You can learn words like that without knowing the contents. So if you watch the video, remember the animation, remember these animations. Since the words come out, or watching comics is not satisfying. Look at the animations only once. If you are interested in what does it mean, look at the explanation of the second look again. You will not forget this for a while. If you want to memorize it for a long time, use the body of the hero's lines. Then, for about 30 years, you will not forget the words with your body. This is a mechanism of memory. When imprinted of the body, it is remembered throughout the brain. Learning the tips will make learning even more fun. Please watch as much as program and come to Japan. Thank you.